Good evening, student. The last class I took in these locations. So, the India, seventh largest country in the world and second largest in Asia. But the land surface 2.4% covered in India and the total areas 32 lakhs 87,263 square kilometers. And the neighbors countries, the last class I took the neighbors countries: Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. And the total coastal areas from Rana Stretch in the west to West Bengal in the east, the total coastal length the 6,100 kilometers, and Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar that include the two islands in 7,516.6 kilometers. And after that I take in this India and Sri Lanka that separate from this bauxite, narrow and shallow in the bauxite, and Indian times IST, Indian Standard Times, and GMT, Greenwich Mean Times, that differs from the 5 hours 30 minutes. So the India is locations 8.4 degree minutes in the north and 37.6 in this north, and Gujarat 68.7 east to 97.25 in the east of Arunachal Pradesh, and the Bamir Knot in the north side, Kanyakumari in the east sides. So north to south 3,214 kilometers, and west to east 2,933 kilometers. So on the IST, the passes through in the Mirzapur in nearby Allahabad. So now I am going to take the topic of major physical divisions of India. Now I am going to take the topic physical division, the earth surface divisions of the Indias. So the majestic Himalayas peak, the majestic Himalayas peak in the north side, Thar Desert or Indian Desert that located in the west side, and the beach, the Marina Beach in Chennai, Hyderabad, Kovalam Beach, Thiruvananthapuram Beach, like that is the beach is located in south side, and the east side is mainly for breathtaking natural heritage in the east, the making India the geographically the vibrant means the energy, the colorfuls, truly incredibles of the countries, So the mainly for the greater Himalayas located in north side, the beaches, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Oceans like that in south side. So Thar Desert located in the west side, and taking in the east side. So next one is the varied nature of the physiographical divisions of India. The varied natures, the physiographic division of India, the landforms based on the major differences. So mainly the landforms, they are based on the different varieties, the different types of the landforms found in India. The first one is the Greater Himalayas. So the Greater Himalayas, the three types, they classified into three types. One is the Western Himalayas, Western Himalayas and Central Himalayas and Eastern Himalayas. So the Himalayas are classified into three types: Western Himalayas, Central Himalayas and Eastern Himalayas. The second one is, so first one is the Himalayas. So there are 6 physical divisions found in India. 6 physical divisions found in India. One is here Himalayas. Second one is Great Northern Plains. Great Northern Plains. Third one is Peninsula Plateaus. The fourth one is Indian Desert. The fifth one is Coastal Plains. The sixth one is Island. The first one is Himalayas. Second one is the Northern Great Plains or Great Northern Plains. The here is located Ganga Plains and Brahmaputra Plains. This area is called a north side, that is called a Northern Great Plains. After that, the Peninsula Plateaus. The Peninsula Plateaus can be Peninsula Plateaus, the triangle shape. Peninsula Plateaus, the triangle shape. The peninsula is divided into 2 types. One is a Central Highland, another one is Deccan Plateaus. So one is Central Highland, another one is Deccan Plateaus. The fourth one is Indian Desert. The Indian Desert, Thar Desert, like that in the Rajasthan areas. In the Rajasthan. The fifth one is Coastal Island. The coastal island can be classified into 2 types. One is West Coastal regions, another one is East Coastal regions. So the coastal plains into 2 types. So the West Coastal Plain, East Coastal Plain merged in Kanyakumari. West Coastal Plain merged in Kanyakumari. Here is the West Coastal Plains made in Kanyakumari. The East Coastal Plains also made in Kanyakumari. After that, the island. So 2 types of the island found in India. One is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Another one is Lakshadweep Island. So 5 physical divisions of 5 and at present 6. 6 major physical divisions of India. One is Greater Himalayas, Northern Great Plains, Peninsulas, Indian Desert, Coastal Plains and Island, like that.